Hello, so in this video we're going to learn about the format of a conventional prescription, and at the top contains the information of the prescriber. So here I wrote Pikai pharmacy for example. Now contains the details of the patient, then the RX, and then the ingredients of the drug like zinc oxide, talcum and magnesium oxide. So I will describe each and every entities at the end of the video, so bear with me. So now comes the fiat pulvis. So this fiat pulvis describes that make the powder. So it is a direction to the pharmacist from the physician. So then comes the applicandus nocturna, so which is the direction to the patient to take the powder at night. Now comes the refill and then the signature of the doctor. So now let me describe each and every entities in the video. So first, all these things contains the details of the patient. So the patient detail is very much important to maintain the record of the patient in the database, so that when he or she again revisits, it will be very much important for the pharmacist to recognize him or her. So then comes the superscription. So the superscription is a Latin symbol that describes you take. So the superscription describes you take. So now comes the inscription. So this inscription contains the ingredients of the drug that are used by the pharmacist to make the drug or compound the drug. So now comes the fiat pulvis, that means make the powder. So it is the subscription which is a direction to the pharmacist by the physician on how to compound the medication, and usually described in Latin terms. And then comes the applicandus nocturna, that means apply the medication at night. So it is called the signatura that describes the direction to the patient on how to apply that drug. So now let me fill up those details of the patient, because it is very much important for the pharmacist to recognize the patient whenever he or she revisits to refill his or her drug. So now comes the date. So the date is very much essential as it denotes the day on which the prescription is being written. And now comes the amount of chemicals that are required to make the drug. Let it be X, Y and Z gram. So now you have to fill the refill depending upon the amount of drug you prescribed. So refill denotes the time or duration after which the patient has to revisit the pharmacist to take the drug again. And now finally, the prescription has to be signed by the doctor. So I hope you like this video. Stay healthy. Bye.